Action.
Leena, what are you doing?
I'm shoveling shit.
Okay, and why are you shoveling shit?
It's my community service.
Okay. Did you do a very bad crime?
Yeah.
And this is for the olive trees, no?
Yes.
How much shit are you putting on each olive tree?
1.5 buckets on a normal sized tree.
Okay. Well, thank you, Leena. So this is the next thing I'm going to show. This is electric chainsaw. All you have to do, plug it in. Electric chainsaw. This is some nondescript, just cheapo. I don't even know if this is a known make. This is just a rubbish chainsaw, but it's very good. This is our log store, and we cut up pieces of wood using the electric chainsaw. And this cable just comes all the way from the house. So I'll just show you what it is. Maybe come slightly closer. Show you how good electric chainsaw is.
Yep.
Out of the way, sir. Yep. See, makes pretty short work of that. This is a piece of willow, by the way, and we're making a woodshed. This is my woodshed that almost costs almost zero to make, because we're using this roofing material which came from somewhere else, so it's like didn't actually cost me any money. And you can see these posts here. These are some willow. These are from a willow tree, which I coppice every couple of years. So in only, I think it's 5 years, it grew like these massive pieces of willow. And you can see this is all we do to fit them together is we cut this like groove here, and then this sort of metal strip stuff, which I think you normally use for like drain pipes and everything, we just use a piece of that, and it holds it up really well. Now the other thing I want to show you that it's going to save you absolutely loads of money. Come this way. You may want to buy one of these, which has cost you like 200 euros or something. But I have actually got one, and they are good. But it's got a little bit of a problem because of this tube is rotten, and I've got to get it fixed. So anyway, as an alternative, rather than spending 200 euros on one of those, all you have to do is get one of these. I don't know, 5 euros. Oh, change the electrics. Just change that to there. So look. So that's all you need. That's all you need to spend to make a hole that these posts can go down in. And this is the hole I made earlier. Just using that. Oh, 1 minute, there's a bit of a stone in it. Hopefully, I'm going to put this in the hole. That's going to go underneath there. Yeah. Well, it's a little bit short. And a bit short, so I'll put a little bit of a couple of stones in there, and it'll bring it up to there. Because this actually is cut naturally out of two. That's going to support that big. This, you could like put a house on this thing. So basically that's all I'm showing you. How not to have to spend loads of money on one of those corkscrew diggers, using one of those, and the electric chainsaw. And Leena, how's it going?
Good. I'm regretting my mild manslaughter.
You got community service for manslaughter. Yeah, he must have deserved it. Okay.